So hello guys, I am here with another custom ROM video on Evolution X 5.7 and it's really great ROM, and we have reviewed Evolution X since a very long time. So I am reviewing this ROM because there are the many changes and all the things are optimized for this ROM. So I will show you about the section of this ROM. So you can see this is Android 11 build and you will get the 5 MB of security patch. Also you will get the kernel of dark kernel in it. So I am flashed the Ceylon T, but it's come with the their default as the dark kernel. So you can see the wireless Bluetooth headphone also properly working in this build. So moving further, this is the evolver section. Here are the almost 95% of customization available. So you can see in the theme section it's really look nice, and also you get the G visual modes in theme section. So you don't need to flash the another G visual mode from the Magisk. Also you will get a lot of options available in notification as well. So vibration to connect, vibration to cut the call also available in this build. Quick settings, here are many things available for customization as well. You can see the data uses also in your quick settings. Next is power menu. Here are also many things available. So optional user option, you can see you can add your preference. So many things are changed in this ROM, so that's why I really liking this ROM as of now. So moving in the gestures part, I think I forget about the system settings. In system navigation, you can see here are also a lot of options available for the peel gestures and all the your right edge and left edge sensitive video option available in this build. So that's really cool when you have to customize your ROM. These things you have to be needed in the ROM added. So next is the lock screen. In the lock screen also there are many options available for this ROM. So you will get almost 95 to 99% options customization available in this ROM, and also this is really smooth build. So you will never get any stutter and any lag in UI also. So in animation, these are the regular animations in all the ROMs. You can see this is the Evolution X main page. And also miscellaneous, you will get the gaming mode as well as the sensor block per package available. So this will help us in the saving our battery as well. So you can use this build as your daily driver, because I haven't found any bug or any issue in this ROM as of now. Now I am showing you all the settings available in the background. You can see the video, but let's talk about the ROM more. So battery backup also great, and also you get the better performance out of it, and also there are the many changes coming soon. So but as of now, this is the one of the best ROM available for Realme 5 Pro. So I think you have to try this. So you can see there is a smart charging option also partially working in this build. So that is really great when you have to charge your phone for the so long time. So that's really help for the health of the battery, because phone is not going to overcharge for so long time. Also I have tested some games on this ROM, but I don't have video, so that's my experience is really good. I would not say it's proper like it's gaming, but that is quite good than any other many ROMs available for Realme 5 Pro. So if you like gaming, so you have to must try this ROM, and share also your review to my channel or in our Telegram group. So now video will be play in the background, and I will tell process how to flash this ROM. So first download the zip file of Evolution X 5.7 from the official Realme 5 Pro group. After downloading the zip, reboot to recovery. After going to recovery, first I am saying backup the all things in internet storage. So after backupping, go reboot to recovery. After recovering, going to recovery, wipe the cache, Dalvik, system, vendor and data. After wiping those 5 characters, just flash zip, and if you want to flash Magisk, you can flash. If you don't want to flash, don't flash. So after doing this, reboot to system. If you still getting the problem for the rebooting, you are not rebooting to system, you are going back again to recovery, just format your internal storage by typing yes command. After doing that, you just reboot it to Evolution X finally. So this is the major changelog for Evolution 5.7. You can see various things changes and many things optimized over here. So if you think my video is really informative for you, so please thumbs up, like, share and subscribe my channel. That gives us the more confidence to make a such video for you guys. So that's it. वीडियो में बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. टिल देन बाय and yes, stay safe, stay home. Please wear the mask and please take care of yourself and your family also. Now bye bye.